Hello everyone. Today I'm making for you the Italian ailment remedy. Whenever we were kids and we were sick and we didn't feel right, our mothers used to make us pastina. Well, today I'm making you pastina with the egg and the cheese. I have 4 cups here of chicken broth. The chicken broth is about to come to a boil, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. And as that's melting, I have here a cup of pastina. Ronzoni doesn't make pastina anymore, only Barilla or the other brands, whatever. So I'm using chicken broth, 4 cups of chicken broth, but you could use water. My mother used to use water. I just find that it gives it a little bit more flavor. Okay, so it's starting to boil, and I'm gonna put in the pastina, a cup, and turn it. It's gonna take about 6 minutes to cook, to be al dente. And then when that's done, the 6 minutes are up, I'll be back to show you what else I do. Okay, so the pastina is done, and what I have here is 2 eggs scrambled and a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, or actually it's Lugadella Parmesan. I add it to the egg, mix it around, and then I add it to the pastina. You could shut it off at this point. Add it in. Mix it around. And let me tell you that this thickens up. It looks kind of soupy now, but it gets very thick. And so I'm going to add some to this bowl after I take a sip of wine. Wow. Doesn't that look yummy? I'm going to taste it, but it's very, very hot. And here we go. Like when you did with the babies, you know? Used to blow on the food for the babies. That reminds me of when I was a kid. That's delicious. I hope you make it. It's so tasty and it's so simple. It takes what? 10 minutes? Not even. Until next time,